And take a picture of it.
If you wanted to be removed, yeah. Because we would ask the guards to come down and remove you because
Can
you're not allowed to.
can I see that policy?
I don't have it. I'm just telling you what it is.
A violation of the First Amendment.
Well, we take lawsuits here. You're welcome to file one.
Yeah, that's what you like to see, huh?
Well, if that's what you want to do, you're perfectly free to do it.
That's our county clerk here down here.
And have you gotten my permission to record me?
Yes, I do.
From who?
I was born with that permission. Public space.
If you continue to record my people, I'll have the guards come remove you.
Anything I can see from public, I can record.
Here comes the head of security.
Listen, y'all, these kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrassing no more. I'll take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're going to embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm going to cut his hair.
Oh, they're going to have to ask you to leave, okay?
Go ahead.
Hey, do me a favor. Wait for the SWAT guys. Now I saw you were in a restricted area. Now I want your identification. You're not getting it.
Don't embarrass me. I told him, don't embarrass me. No.
Down here today, it is June 10th in the Village of Mayville, New York, here in Chautauqua County. There's the Chautauqua County Sheriffs Department. Looks like holding center possibly right here. And we also got the old courthouse, the county courthouse here. Connected is the new county courthouse. We're gonna start down here. We're gonna check out the community building down here. How you doing? I don't really need anything. I'm just here to take a couple photographs of the office and pictures of what's available in there. Just working on a story on the building and the village here. So that's all. I don't need any help.
On the outside of the building, you mean? You're gonna take pictures on the outside?
No, right in here.
Who do you work? Did you get permission from someone?
No. Just a private journalist working on a story down here.
The village clerk will be right out. I would wait though until he comes out because I don't know if there's sensitive information that, or not information, but people's personal.
Well, you guys shouldn't have people's personal information out for the public to see it.
Well, I'm working on it.
Hi, what can I help you with?
I actually don't need any help. I'm just working on a story on the village here. Just come in here and
You're
take
doing
some.
what?
Working on a story of the village.
Okay.
Can I get your name?
Yeah, what is this for?
I'm just working on a story. I'm a private independent journalist.
Oh, okay. My name's John
John, you're the
Crandall.
clerk
Village
here?
clerk.
All right. Yeah, no, I'm just here to take some video and recording and photos inside the clerk's office here and the rest of the village hall here. And
Okay, I don't really, you can't come past here. You can take
Oh,
a
no,
picture
yeah.
here if you want, that's fine.
yeah, I'm not just in the publicly accessible areas. What's available.
Yeah.
That's all.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay.
Can I have your name, ma'am?
My name is Michelle.
Michelle. All right, thank you very much. No, I don't need help. I just
okay.
take my photos and I'll be on my way.
Oh, okay. Have a good day.
You too.
Yeah, if it's like history stuff or anything like that that you're looking for, we do have a village historian that could be available for you too. We can get you his information.
Is she somebody that's here normally? Is that somebody that's here normally, or is there like a museum?
There is a museum located down on the lakefront.
All right, there's nothing
Yeah.
in the building here, historical building.
No,
All right.
no, but we have a historian through the village that has, he's got some access to archives and some records and things like that too.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, Village of Mayville. This is Michelle. Can I help you? Could you hold on a moment, please? Thank you. I don't want to be filmed.
Police rescues. Mayville Fire Rescue back here. Big hall, nothing up here. Not too much going on here. This is the Village Hall. Clerk seems to be pretty aware of the First Amendment rights of citizens. It's pretty cool. We gotta check these cruisers out. Fountain over there, little kids on umbrella. Pretty good.
Checking them out?
Yeah, it's taking us a couple photos.
Nice. Want to see the dogs?
Yeah, you got dogs here?
Yeah, come on.
You got 2 of them?
Yeah.
That's not dogs. I don't usually see 2.
Yeah. You're not scared of dogs, are you?
No, not scared of much. Does that metal roll down too? Dan.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, this one's Drake. Come over here and you can actually see him. Ready? Yeah. That one's Drake. Shepherd Malinois mix. He's good. It's up to you if you want to pet him. You don't have to.
Of course.
Narcotics patrol detection.
Are they in the same compartment together or no?
Well, the next car, hopefully they'll have to switch. Right now I got one in the trunk, one in the front. This is Mary. Her real name's Jax. My kids call her Mary. She's a explosive detection.
What's this one do?
Explosives detection.
Explosives?
She's pretty cool.
The 2 of them get along together just fine, yeah?
Well,
They live with you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
One male, one female was kind of the idea. Knowing that I would have to, so I figured have one of each. That way they're not 2 boys in a...
Are they fixed or can they?
She is, he is not.
Alright, so.
Yeah. Check out the car.
Cool, yeah.
Welcome to it.
Thank you.
Nothing really too great. I don't care if you check it out. Nothing kind of boring. Call screen.
Pretty cool.
See all the calls that are going on. It stinks like dog in here a lot more.
It's probably worse in the summer, huh?
Yeah.
How long have you been a police officer for the K-9 department?
18 total years. K-9, I got 11, so what do we got? 11 years?
11 years. That's pretty cool.
It's not bad. It's fun. It's nice to have a partner. Nice to, you know, they're always there. And plus, when it's...
As far as patrols out here, everybody riding alone, other than
Yeah, we're
you
solo.
get the...
That's it. So I got the quickest, closest backup, and they're all pretty cool dogs.
You got a switch on you where you can pop the lock if it had to if you're in trouble.
This side's on a shock. The door's on the shock in the passenger, so it just pops open.
I think I've seen a video like that before. Somebody got
Try not
attacked.
to ever have to use them.
Oh yeah, it was
They know
worst
what's
case
up.
scenario, of course.
Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. We got all sorts of stuff going on here.
You guys got a holding center in here?
Yeah, got back side of it.
Cool.
Yeah,
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
All the everybody within Chautauqua County comes here. So if they get picked up in the city, they eventually come here or whatever.
As far as the city of like Dunkirk and that.
Dunkirk and
everything?
Jamestown. Yep, those are our 2 biggest cities.
Cool. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah,
I'll just
man.
take some
Take it
photos
easy.
and I'll be on my
Yeah,
way.
Do your thing. Do it.
It's pretty cool. Do my thing. That's cool. Well, they definitely know who we are down here in Chautauqua County because of the Dunkirk audits. Probably know me by picture around here, but I don't think we're gonna get any problems around here. We'll just take a quick stroll through, get some footage of this building down here. Got the locks, security cameras here. It's always cool to meet cool cops like that. They want to be part of it, you know. They're not like they want to just not engage, they say, or don't talk to these guys. It's much easier to bond with the community when you got a platform like this. It's so nice. There's one big gate right there. Visitor Center entrance, that's right there. I don't know anybody in there, so we're not gonna go visit nobody. I believe there's an administration office. Let's go check out the inside and wrap this one up. Administration's office. That's a unique one there. How you doing? I'm interested in getting a FOIL request form and a sheriff's, like a officer complaint form.
Okay.
Or a misconduct form, or.
I can get a FOIL form. Let me go see about the other form.
Yeah, let me know how. I gotta find out how they do that. I gotta get a form.
Yep. Hang on just 1 second.
No problem. Gotta see the mission statement here.
So this here is the FOIL request that you can fill out, and it tells you, you either mail it there, fill that out completely. I don't have a personnel complaint form, but I can give you the phone numbers for the deputies' supervisors, and then you could contact them. That apparently
There's definitely no form to take home though. There's no actual form to get hand out.
I do not have one, and I asked, and they said no.
They don't have one. Is there any supervisor available to speak to me real quick, or?
No, their supervisors is not here, and Captain Bolin has left.
Captain Bourne as well. So there's nobody here to take a complaint?
He's my supervisor.
All right, so there's nobody here to take a complaint right now if I had one?
No, unless
I'd have to call back and come back.
Somebody who is under Sergeant Batamy. What's the name of the officer?
I don't wish to disclose that. I'd rather take the form home, fill it out, and then turn it in.
I don't have a form, but what I can do is give you the phone number for
the supervisor of an officer that was already.
Unless I have Sergeant Batamy here, if it's one of his officers.
All right. Do you have a pen I could use real quick? I'll fill this form out and then.
That's actually going to go across the street to the legal department.
Across the street as far as right at the Village Hall, or? Oh.
No, right at the Durasi office building.
Alright.
Okay?
So you don't actually turn the FOIL request in here?
It goes to the legal department.
Alright, thank you.
Uh-huh.
So that's the best you'll do with officer complaint down here in Chautauqua County. We're gonna fill this out and get their actual complaint form procedure, official one, and then we'll turn it back in over there. More than likely it's gonna be that you can't get a form. So that's the Chautauqua County Sheriffs. Definitely no complaint forms available to take home. You can't get it. This is the county building across the street. We're gonna see if we can't fill out this request and go turn it into the county building. Let's find out where the county clerk's office is. Let's go around. This is gonna be a courthouse, and they're not gonna let us in. We might end up going back to serve this paper to the sheriff's department and making them turn it in since we can't get a camera in here. Trying to get to the county clerk's office. I think it would be our legal department turning a FOIL request.
Sure. I need to have you, anything metallic or electronic needs to go in here before I come through?
Wait, I plan on video recording my interaction all the way there. Is there gonna be a problem with that as long as I don't go in the courtroom?
Oh, you're good.
All right, cool.
You're going to the county clerk's office, correct?
Yeah, or clerks or legal department, whoever does the filing of FOIL requests.
I would assume that would be the clerk's office. So yeah, you're good.
That's everything.
You got a belt on or anything?
I do. The county building. I didn't think they'd let us pass that security checkpoint with the camera, but I know our First Amendment rights here in Chautauqua County. Clerk's office. Oh, it's in the old building. So we're out front out there. County clerks?
Yes, what can I help you with?
I got a FOIL request. Does this go here or to legal or?
It actually goes up to legal.
Legal?
Yes.
That's.
Upstairs on the second.
All right, thank you very much. No, actually, I was just getting some photographs in here of the offices in there.
How are you?
Looks like they got a nice records room here too.
I'm coming back.
Find out about that. This thing. They got it down here, taking photos of documents is prohibited down here as well. This is pretty sweet. Chautauqua County deeds.
Somebody forgot that little thing. Hi there.
How you guys doing? No, I was just taking some pictures of the inside of the building and what's available in that. It says that no photographs of the documents. Is there a reason why that you guys know?
Because they charge for copies.
Charge for copies? That's the only reason?
I think so. I don't know. We don't work for the county, so we don't know.
Oh, you guys don't work for the county?
No, we're a private search company.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. As you were. You work here, right?
I'm actually I'm a private company too.
Oh, private company too, right?
Yeah, so.
Working. He's got a Chautauqua County badge on. I don't know what they're doing. Private company.
Right.
That guy's looking for me. Make him look hard. This is sweet.
Okay.
Hey, can I help you with something?
You work here for the county, or?
Yes, I do.
There's a picture or a sign on the wall that says no pictures of documents. Is there a reason why?
Yep, because we're a user-funded organization, and if you want copies of a document, you pay to get them.
These documents are all public records, though,
They
right?
are public record, but if you want a copy,
Yeah, if you want a
costs
copy.
you
But why would it be a problem if somebody came down here and took a picture of their own copy?
because then we don't get the money. And we don't get money.
That's what you think it's about, huh?
Well, it's not what I think it's about. It is what it's about. Oh, it's not what I think it's about. It is what it's about. We're a user-funded department. If you need us, you pay. If you don't need us, you don't pay.
Yeah, but if somebody doesn't need you and they come here and look at their own records, the public records are called public records because they belong to the public,
You can look at them all
right?
you want. They are public. You can look at them all you want. It costs you to get a copy to take with you.
Yeah, I understand if somebody, filled out a request, like such as a full request, handed it in, you guys did the work and got the picture, but as far as taking a picture of these documents, if I pull one out and took a picture of it, is that a penal code? Is there a law backing that up?
It is our policy.
Policy. I'll have to request that policy as well, I guess.
Okay.
But no, I was getting some photographs of the inside here, and I think that policy is wrong. I think it's
You can think whatever you want.
unconstitutional. We're gonna find out about it.
If you want to record a deed here, it costs you money. If you want to start a legal case, it costs you money.
Yeah, when you're doing services.
If you want to file a business certificate, it costs you money. If you don't, it doesn't cost you anything. So
I understand,
that's why
but
I say
if you could do
user-funded
any of those yourself, you wouldn't need the government, right?
Yeah, but you can't do that yourself.
Exactly, but I could come here and pick up a deed and take a picture of
If
it.
you want to be removed, yeah. Because we would ask the guards to come down and remove you because
Can
you're not allowed to.
can I see that policy?
I don't have it. I'm just telling you what it is. It's on the sign down there.
I seen a sign, but a sign don't mean much. Like if you had a sign down there that said, nobody with red shirts is allowed in here.
But we wouldn't do that.
I know, but you guys shouldn't be doing it to public records if somebody want to take a photograph of a record.
Well, we do. That's our policy. If you want a copy, you pay us to make a copy.
I'm all for that policy. We're going to challenge that policy. We're going to find out all about
Be
it.
my guest.
This is Kara from Stewart Title.
I got
Your name was Larry?
Yep, I'm the county clerk.
You're the county clerk?
Yes, sir.
All right.
want you to know that
How many county clerks are there here?
Where?
In the county, how many county clerks are there?
County?
Yeah.
Me.
You have a few assistant deputy clerks?
I have a deputy, yes.
These are all publicly accessible, but you can't take a photograph of it. I think that's a violation of the First Amendment.
Well, we take lawsuits here. You're welcome to file one.
Yeah, that's what you like to see, huh?
Well, if that's what you want to do, you're perfectly free to do it.
Sweet. This is the county clerk, guys. He'd rather take a lawsuit than find out about the real policy and the real constitutional rights. And as a matter of fact, he'd rather just take the lawsuit and then find out later if it's a constitutional right or not to video record in public, anything the eye can see. But that's our county clerk here down here.
Have you gotten my permission to record me?
Yes, I do.
From who?
I was born with that permission.
I see.
First Amendment right, remember?
Huh?
First Amendment. This is the First Amendment right.
Yeah.
The video record, especially the video record public servants in the course of their duty.
Okay.
Are you a hired or elected?
I'm elected.
You're elected? That's not very good. This guy doesn't know his constitution, an elected official. That's sad.
Have a good day.
That's pretty sad.
Stop recording my people.
Sir,
Against
I
union rules.
literally just told you it's constitutionally protected
I don't
activity.
care what
to
you
video-
told me. I told you what the sign said. You don't agree with it. I don't agree with what you're saying.
Can the clerk just make legislation like laws like that, or you can't
The
say?
clerk can't make laws, but
All right, well, don't
Stop
agree.
recording my people.
Record them, and I'm gonna record you. I'm gonna
You can
do that.
record me all you want to.
I can record anybody in this office.
No, you can't.
This is public space.
If you continue to record my people, I'll have the guards come remove you. It's that simple.
It's as simple
We can
that
get- we
I
can
am
get
standing
along,
in
or
public.
we
I am
cannot
standing
get
on
along.
public property.
Yeah? Did you ask their permission to record them?
I don't need their permission.
Yes, you
Nobody has.
do.
There's no expectation of privacy in public.
Okay, you bring me the rules.
This is the United States Constitution. I don't have to bring you the rules.
Okay. Have a good day.
Anything I can see from public, I can record.
Here comes the head of security.
That's cool.
This gentleman seems to feel that he can do anything he wants to.
I'm just recording in public, sir. There's nothing more here to it than that. He thinks that I need permission to record in public. He's an elected official who doesn't even know the First Amendment of the
You can
Constitution.
record me all you want to. I'm in the county court. You
I know,
stop
but
recording my employees.
I'll let you tell him that there's no expectation of privacy in public here.
Okay, so let's speak to you real quick.
Yeah.
So you're aware of the records laws, all business laws in this area?
And I was actually, I'm aware of what I'm not very aware of what I can and can't record.
You're familiar with the FOIA laws, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you know paperwork's gotta be filed out, you gotta have permission, you gotta pay funds. That's just the way it is.
But I'm saying there's publicly accessible documents
No,
here.
it's not publicly accessible.
Those
documents.
books are not publicly accessible.
No.
You just
can
told
go
me
to
they
the
were.
Computer.
You
in the
just
back
literally told
room.
me that you could take it out and look at it, but you
No,
cannot take a
can't.
picture
Put
of it,
them all
right?
you want. They are public. You can look at them all you want. Title
Is there
searchers who are in here.
just
Yeah,
just
they
to cut through any like drama here because I really don't want it. That's not what I'm here for because this guy clearly doesn't know the Constitution. But this policy that I cannot look at that, can I see that policy, or I can't take a photo of it? I'd have to FOIA request that, or
To look at public records in the county clerk's office, you have to pay fees, make applications, do FOIA requests, stuff like that. Even copies of things that you can view, you can't take pictures of. You have to
But
pay
that,
for
that ruling,
photocopies
that
and stuff.
policy and that ruling, you don't have any access to that?
This is not my department, but like I said, I know you're very familiar with all this stuff, so it's
Yeah,
underneath
I'm
the
familiar
business
with FOIL
laws, okay?
laws, but.
So you
But
understand
the
you
way,
get paid
just
by
like looking at
copies
it from the public's view, like those documents there are considered public records. And now if I wanted to FOIL something, I would FOIL it, hand the FOIL request in, they do the work and they get paid to do it. Now if I came in and look at my own public records, because they're called public records because they belong to the public, I'm just saying, what is the issue with taking out that book and taking a picture of my own? Because they
The only
don't.
people that are allowed to touch those books are the qualified title search people.
You
which
literally
we allow
just
to be
said
there.
that you
No, I
can,
didn't. There's
you
a
literally,
computer.
I got it on video, you literally just said that you
I
can
don't care
open up the book and
what
take a
you heard-
look, but you
what heard
can't
me
take a
say.
picture.
Well, not
Public
at them all
record?
you want. They are public. You can look at them all you want. You, but a title searcher could.
This guy's
There's a
really ignorant,
computer in
guys. This is
that
an elected
room.
official.
You listen to me.
This is brutal.
There's a computer in that room, and anything that's downloaded into our online system, you or anybody else is more than welcome to go in there and use that computer and check any records you want to. You can look at them. As far as touching the books, the only people allowed to touch the books are employees and title searchers that we allow back there because the books are old, they're delicate,
Is it
the public is
private
not to
contractor
be in.
back there right now?
Those are private contractors, yes.
The title searchers.
Yeah.
that's referring to.
Is that who these ladies are here?
No, these people work for me.
Yeah, well,
But we can't allow the public in looking through those 100-plus-year-old books. They're fragile.
no, and I understand that, but I'd like to see the actual policy on it because I feel
showed
it's
you the
a
policy. It's on the
violation
side
of
right there.
constitutional
Take a
right if
picture
it's
of it.
publicly
That's
accessible.
my policy.
Yeah, but I'm saying
always
anybody
been
can
our
print a
policy.
paper up and put it on the wall, but
No, I
it takes
couldn't. No way I can.
it takes a legislator to make it law,
Okay.
not a clerk.
You're
Clerks
entitled
can't make
to your
laws.
opinion.
Can the clerk just make
don't know.
legislation like laws like that, or you can't
The
say?
clerk can't make laws, but
So he's an elected official, he's a department head,
All right,
okay?
correct.
And this is his division or department, and if he made a policy, because he's been deemed by the elected people, or
But
elected
yeah,
by the
all
people
right,
in this
that's
county to
cool.
come up
But
with
I
a
want to see the policy.
He
Printed it
just
on
told
the.
you to
He
take a
prints it
picture
on the
of it.
wall.
Well,
That's-
there's the policy, and he's telling you that's his policy.
All right, so if I walked in there right now and I opened up a book, took a picture, what would the charge be?
we'll start with trespass.
Yeah.
You would
You are
trespass
not
me
allowed
from
to open
you would
a book
trespass me from
because
a
you are
private
general
building?
public.
No, because you're in an area you don't.
This trespass is a secondary charge. You can't trespass somebody from public property unless they're causing a crime, and I'm not doing any of that right now. Now, if I open that book, that's got to be a crime for you to trespass me, correct?
No, you got a million answers to a million questions. Have a good day.
You're an elected official. You should remember that as you speak here.
So, I'd have to do some research, but.
I'm not
off
really-
the
I'm
top
not
of my
trying to
head
be-
is criminal tampering, okay?
Criminal tampering.
Touching something and monkeying with it that don't belong to you.
All right, we're gonna definitely full request what penal code that would be. And
You
I'm
don't-
not trying to trip you guys up.
You
I'm
don't
just
have to
saying,
FOIL
just
request
logistic.
Nothing, just Google it. New York State penal law, criminal tampering.
Criminal tampering.
And I'm not even saying for sure that's what it would be, that's just
I mean,
off
it
the
sounds
top of my
like
head.
a stretch right off the bat, but I don't want to take any more of your guys' time. I'm just down here to take some video recording. I had a simple question and it turned into a fiasco. I didn't open any of the books and take any pictures. I'm not gonna
And nobody's
do it. I'm
making
gonna
any
go.
allegations that you
I'm gonna
did,
go
so.
the legal way. I'm gonna
Right.
find out what the actual policy is, and can Mr.
Barmore.
County Clerk make up laws down here, and who can touch? I mean, if he's the head of the security, he could just put in there nobody with black shirts, and now all of a sudden you guys can charge someone with criminal tampering in there because they wore a black
nobody
shirt.
said-
And that's just an exaggeration of what you're saying to make you realize how silly it sounds, like criminal tampering to touch the public records that are publicly accessible.
This ain't my area of expertise, and if I had to guess, there's probably laws on business documents and blah, blah, blah. I don't deal with white.
This isn't the first county building I run into the same question. I asked him the same question, but at least the Erie County.
What did they tell you?
The Erie counties, they come up with a better excuse than you guys are coming up with. They say that they said that some of them documents might be sealed by a judge. That's why you can't take pictures of them. But of course, if something's sealed by a judge, it shouldn't be publicly accessible anyways, because I mean, it wouldn't be hard for somebody to come in here with a hidden camera, take a photo of the documents, and leave without anybody ever knowing. I'm just asking about it. That's all. And then the clerk got educated today about First Amendment rights. He should know. He swore an oath to the Constitution. But
here's the other thing too, is that a lot of times people are looking to get certified copies, because taking a picture or having a copy of something doesn't necessarily hold any weight anywhere down the.
Exactly, and that's why you would have to pay them. That's why you'd have to pay them.
Exactly, because they put a seal or stamp on, and that way it holds weight with other people to show them that this is a certified copy, that you haven't taken some white out, changed things, modified.
Yeah, exactly.
things,
You know, and that's exactly why you would have to pay them. But like, if you just wanted a picture of a map, so like, there's probably maps in that room. Like, if I'm working on a story and just want to open one of those books to show the public how old and how sweet those books are, cool those are. You know what I mean? Something like that is simply what I would be there for. But like, I don't know why somebody would want to come take pictures in there.
Just
But
so you're aware, all our old maps are actually at the James Prendergast Library in Jamestown. If you go there, they got maps all the way back to 1867. So for this county, so that's where, so that the public could have access to them. So they're back in the research area.
In this building, the courthouse is in here, right?
The courthouse is upstairs.
It's upstairs. I got to go to the legal department. Am I going to be able to record my interaction to turn this at the legal department, or I got to?
So legal department has nothing to do with the courts. You're talking the county attorney.
That's the FOIL request. As I say, I got to turn it into the legal department. I try to turn it into the clerk's
so you're
office.
going to the third floor.
Third floor
to the
for
law
that.
department.
And that I won't hit the courts. No problems with the recording.
Yeah.
I'm familiar with the court laws. You can't record in a
Yes.
courtroom,
Yep.
hallways, or offices connected to courtrooms. So I just want to avoid that.
So basically go down here and get on these elevators and go to the third floor. As long as you stay off the second floor, there's no issues.
Cool. Thank you very much.
And then it's 2 levels of building is confusing. Make sure you get back on the same elevators and come back down to the first floor.
You got a badge number?
105.
Can I get yours?
123.
All right. Thank you very much.
But these elevators on your left, third floor, when you get off the elevator, you're going to hang a left, right, and right, and you're looking for the legal department or law department.
Perfect.
When you come back down, there's a star in the one. Make sure you push the one with the star, because otherwise you'll wind up who knows where.
I did that once in a town hall. I got locked in a section and I couldn't get out. I'm like pounding on the doors for like 10 minutes before somebody seen me.
Who am I supposed to let know?
Yes, sir. I got a FOIL request to turn in, but I just want to add something to it. Might use one of these pens here.
Sure.
FOIL request I'm requesting officer complaint form, procedure of the general order, the actual form. I'm also requesting what law prohibits people from taking pictures of themselves of a public record down in the public records room, and what the charge would be if someone did it, because they say it's illegal, but I'd like to know the actual law on that.
Well,
And that would be the full request. So some of it's kind of for the sheriffs and some of it's for the records room as far as requesting. So I don't know if that should be on 2 separate papers or if it's good enough right there.
What's your name?
My name's Dan.
Dan, your last name?
Yeah, I got it right here. Auditing Erie County is what it is under. That's an official business. It's a DBA. I don't wish to give my last name out.
Okay. I will.
This is where I turn the FOIL, right?
Yeah, I will give this to the person who handles FOIL requests, and we have, I believe, 30 days to respond.
5 days to respond. Then you got 20 days after that to fulfill or ask for more time or deny. But can I just get a sign, maybe like sign that and just throw it through the copy machine? I get a copy of that. And you need to sign it, as a matter of fact. I got it on video here.
I can date stamp it.
Yeah, if you got that, it's even better. I forget I'm in a county building. Sometimes you go to small villages and they don't have that equipment.
So I'll make a photocopy for you.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Your name was?
Tom.
Tom. What was your last name?
Rankin, R-A-N-K-I-N.
Thank you very much. What is your position here? What do you do?
I'm an attorney.
You're an attorney for this county? All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You don't happen to know the laws or the ruling on that, why they have the sign up there that says...
I don't know.
Can the clerk just make
I don't
legislation like laws like that, or you can't
The
say?
clerk can't make laws, but I don't know this area. It's not my specialty, but I'll give this to the FOIL officer, and that person can work with you.
All right, perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
How you doing? I don't really need any help. Unless the county executive's here, I could speak to him maybe.
Okay, he's in a meeting right now.
No, that's all right. I'm just here to take some photographs of the publicly accessible area, what's available.
Okay.
Just working on a story on the county, that's all.
I'm sorry, a story on the county?
Yeah, on the county itself.
Oh, okay.
Just taking some photographs and video, that's all.
Okay, yeah, no
All right.
problem. And you're welcome to take one of those brochures, like one of our tour guides too.
Perfect, thank you. County Executive's Office. How you guys doing? Just get some pictures in here, that's all. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah, we're gonna get in here. Chautauqua County Chambers. Chautauqua County's clerk, man. Elected official. Get a chance to be a county executive for 1 second here. Call this meeting to session to talk about your county clerk who is unfamiliar with the Constitution. He is sworn to protect.
They're public. You can look at them all you want.
Open up the book and take a look, but you can't take a picture.
They're public. You can look at them all you want.
Open up the book and take a look, but you can't take a picture. Not good, guys. Not good. All right, enough clowning around. Boy, these are some comfy looking chairs. This. I didn't even notice this. There's a whole other section to this building. This might be locked up.
Hi, how can I help you?
Is this the court?
Nothing is in session right now.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just taking some photographs inside the building and
Take photographs up in here.
Alright.
We told you that the last time you were here, sir.
I've never been to this building
You've
before.
been here. I talked to you back about a month ago, before the show, Channel 4 aired the TV show.
Yeah, they said I was good everywhere but the court. I didn't know that was court, that's all.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
How is it outside today? I've been inside. So
It looks really hot out, but it's kind of chilly. A little breezy.
A little breeze?
Maybe like 67, 70. No, I didn't know that was the court over there. So I didn't know that was court. So.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
Not a problem. You have yourself a great day.
You too. Aaron on Channel 4 News, huh? I didn't realize that was court over there.
Well, that's why I told you earlier, make sure you got back in the elevator and went back down to the first floor.
Yep. How you doing? I don't need any help. I'm just out here taking a couple photos. I'm working on a story on the building. Just taking some photos and video of what's available in the offices, that's all. Just in the publicly accessible areas. Candy, Rogue Nation, gotta take one for him. It's been there for a while, these seats are pretty faded. Just the county building itself. You're Sharon? Yes. You're just a clerk here in Human Resources or secretary? Right. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much. I'm all set here.
Hi, can I help you?
No, I'm just here to take some photographs of the office. I don't actually need any help.
Photographs, okay?
Yeah, just photographs and videos, what's available, what's on the walls, you know, give a little tour. Some people that probably never seen the inside of this building, probably lived here all their life.
Right, sure.
Your name is?
My name is Janelle.
Janelle, what do you do here?
I'm the Deputy Director of Finance.
Perfect, thank you very much.
Sure, thank you.
This is kind of neat. These guys do the work when you guys go home, or what?
The fairies, yes, we wish.
Makes it easier, huh?
It, but no, it doesn't happen.
They're just chilling. All right, it's nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, you too. Have a good day.
So the only person in here uneducated on anything would definitely be busy at work here. I'm just taking some photographs. I don't need any help. I just...
Oh, okay.
All right? Cool. Pay your property taxes here? That's when they used to give you a little leeway, then they gave you a little less leeway, and now the cops they got to give you no leeway. That's the county bill. We'll get to the bottom of whether we can take pictures or not and what penal code that would be. Well, good day, gentlemen. There must have been somebody else here that guy's familiar with. A month and a half ago, 2 months ago, I did come down here to get some the transcript, court transcript from Dunkirk, but they wouldn't let me pass that first security checkpoint that time. Well, that's the old court building, County Hall. Let's go check this thing out. There's a bunch of kids field tripping a minute ago. That's what this thing is. Big old vault. That's where it was at back in the day. Criminal tampering with public records for touching and for taking a photo of them. Now I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that guy said, I'm gonna have to look back. We can look at them, we just can't take photographs. I believe that's what the sign even said.
Look at
Public,
them all
right?
you want. They are public. You can look at them all you want.
It's the county building. Sheriffs. That's auditing Erie County, fam. And I'm out. I will see you guys in the comment section. Back to work for me.
Like, we living in a society now where people want to record how they discipline their child. People that might get mad with this video is the people that probably already embarrassed their child. You can discipline your child in their room. Take something away from them. If they act up, well, I'm like, son, you can't play the game.
We don't get money.